Alright guys, if you want to pair your AirPods Pro 3 with your Galaxy Watch 8, here is the quick way to connect them and start using instantly. So grab your watch, swipe down the watch face from settings, go to connections, from there to Bluetooth, make sure it's turned on, scroll down just a bit and it'll search for nearby devices. But if the AirPods name doesn't show up, just close the lid, open it up, and press twice over the LED to take it into pairing mode. And your AirPods name will pop up in here in a moment. Just go ahead and tap on it. And if there is any pairing confirmation, just tap on this tick to confirm. And that's it, they're connected. You can also access these settings by swiping down the watch face, swipe left till you find the Bluetooth option, and then simply tap and hold over it. Enjoy your newly paired AirPods Pro 3 with your Galaxy Watch 8. Thanks for watching.